What's up, goodies? It is your girl Juliana, aka Life is Juliana, and aka How to Cook Channel. Yes, your girl is not in the kitchen. Your girl is here to wish each and everybody a special Happy New Year. But before I get any further, I would first want to give a minute of silence to my sister. I have a sister who passed away right after Christmas, and so let's give a minute of silence to my sister, Lana Thomas. Okay, so may her soul rest in peace. Your girl has been going through some tough days. As you notice, if you're watching this from How to Cook channel, you probably have noticed that I have not uploaded very much recipes for the holiday. Your girl just wasn't in the cooking mode. For some reason or other, yes, I cook for the house and everything else, but I just wasn't in the cooking mode at all. I've mostly spent a lot of my time on my second channel, Life as Juliana. I had to put some work in, so yeah, I had to do that, kind of focus on growing that channel as well. It's not that I neglected this one, but sometimes you just have to do what you have to do, and I think I accomplished that milestone over there. So for all my goodies that support me on both channels, massive amount of love and respect. Yo, you have a girl down on the down pack. I love you guys for supporting what I do. I love you guys just for hanging in there throughout the entire year. 2020 has been a rough one. 2020, a lot of people lost their jobs, a lot of people lost their homes, cars, lives has been lost. I have a family member that has been affected by COVID, friends that have been affected by COVID, and you know, it's been a rough one. It's been a rough one. God has been good to me. Thank you, Lord. I'm healthy. I have to deal with going out the street all the time, come in contact with everyone. You just never know. And God just kept me safe throughout all of this. The battle is not over yet, but so far He has kept me safe. We just want to let you guys know that I do love all my goodies, every single one of you. My man goodies them and my woman goodies them. I love each and every one of them. It's just crazy. You know, even when I not like upload a video, you are always checking in. If you're not getting a notification, let me know so I'm not getting a notification. This year has been a battle, y'all. It has been a battle. A lot of trials, a lot of problems. Both friendships has lost. Friendships from way back when have been lost. Communication, family, everything. A lot of people went left and right, because you never know who's there for you until your back is against the wall. And I've seen it from a mile away, but like I said, through it all, God has kept me strong. Thank you guys again so much for all your love and all the support. For real talk, thank you for every single one of you that continue to support Life as Juliana and continue to support How to Cook channel. Thank you for all the new subscribers. I see you guys and I appreciate you guys for trusting in what you've seen thus far and believing in my recipes and was sweet and nice enough to subscribe. Thank you. To all my old time goodies, thank you for never giving up on me through the ups and downs, through the ins and outs, through the upload sometime, through the don't upload another time. through my mood swings, you always ride with your girl. Thank you. It's so many of you guys that ride with me in every way, shape and form. It's too much to say, just one or two or three. But you know who you are. Thank you. Thank you for sharing my recipes. Thank you for just telling a friend to tell a friend. Thank you. Thank you for the real YouTubers out there that always say, Juliana, I love your recipe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the big time creators. I'm not gonna call a name, but thank you for all my creator goodies. Them will ride with your girl too, no matter what. I see it, I love it, and I acknowledge you. Thank you. Like I said before, 2020 has been a struggle. Comes the end of this year, I'm a little lost in the family with my sister. Didn't live to see the new year 21. Keep her daughter in prayer. She have a daughter, so keep her daughter in prayer for strength, and just continue to support. 21 is going to be a little bit different, but I don't want to drag out this video for too long. Don't want to drag it out. But however, since I'm here, I'm just going to say this to say that there was a time when I was doing a lot of vegan recipes on the channel How to Cook, and then you guys had requested that you don't want to see the vegan recipes and the non-vegan recipes in one channel. And I listened and I started to do the vegan recipes on the second channel, Life as Juliana. However, that channel, I'm not going to be doing any cooking over there. I just want to keep cooking in a one place. How to Cook channel. I have gotten a lot of supporters who were supporting the channel when I was doing vegan recipes on that channel. So out of due respect, I'm going to continue to upload all my cooking recipes on my channel, How to Cook. So we're going to do home decors, vlogs, etc. over here on the second channel, Life as Juliana. So if you're into home decors, vlogs, and random things that I might upload, feel free to go over there and subscribe. It doesn't hurt. Now, another reminder before we close out. Your notification is very important, right? If I upload a video and your notification is off, then you won't know when I upload a brand new video. You might hear all the creators say it in every video over and over, and it may sound like a story. But it is critical for a channel. It is critical for a channel, every channel, that you turn on your post notification. It is critical to this channel. Because what happens when you don't and you miss the recipe, then you'll ask me to send you the link for that recipe, which if you had your notification checked, then you would have known that I had uploaded a brand new video. So that is something, it is very time consuming for me to send links to every single person that is asking me for that link for that recipe. It's very time consuming. So please check your notification. Yes, you are subscribed, but your notification 95% of the time is in the off position. That's why you are not being notified. For 2021, on my second channel, Life as Juliana, I definitely will be doing random things out of the box. Doing like makeup, clean with me videos, and different types of things. Whatever makes me happy. Morning routines, stuff like that that you guys been asking for. Know that I have 2 channels now, and it's very time consuming as well. But just be patient, the videos will always come. Now, on How to Cook channel, I will be uploading 3 videos every week by the grace of God, but that is the plan for the 2021. On Mondays, it will be a recipe, like chicken, fish, whatever that is on Mondays. On Wednesdays, it will be a vegan recipe. And on Friday, it will be another recipe of some sort, right? But you will always get a vegan recipe once every week, which is on a Wednesday. And I promise you that. Now, for my 2021, I will be making changes for my lifestyle. As far as how I eat, as far as my exercise, as far as taking care of myself. So for 21, I will be doing a vegan diet. I will be going vegan for 1 year. We're going to see how that works. I did go all vegan. I think it was 2016, somewhere around there after I got married. Before I got married, I started that journey. And I have to confess, that was one of the best and healthiest year of my life. My blood pressure been playing tic-tac-toe with me. My family is high risk with diabetes. My mother had my mother passed away. She was diabetic, and it also runs in the family trait. So for me, I'm not diabetic yet, but it runs in my family. High blood pressure, and from time to time my blood pressure fluctuates, so it's a sign that I need to make changes within myself. Now, I will definitely, like I said before, I will bring all the recipes for the vegan and the non-vegan recipes, which is going to be Monday and Friday for non-vegan. My husband is not on a vegan journey, so you definitely will see those recipes for sure. My husband now will do the vegan thing, but I am going to be doing vegan for 1 year to get my body back where I want it to be. So you have to see them recipes, alright? I think that covers that. Even though I did not upload much for this Christmas, know that you guys are in my thoughts every day. But sometimes there's just things that you have to do. To make yourself a better person, sometimes you have to do what makes you happy. And that is just one of the things. I think I needed just a little tad break. Everybody need that, right? Now it's time to work again. 21 is all about betterment, and I intend to better myself this year, to make myself a better me, to make myself love me more than anything else. Now, I also decided if anyone wants to love me, for me, come on in. The water is fine and the water is clear. But if you don't want to join me in a circle where there is life and hope and love, prosperity and unity, then this circle won't be a circle for you. And that is for everyone. I love you guys so much, and a real talk, real talk. I love what I do, y'all. I love to cook, but I also love to decor homes too. I love to do, there's so many things that I love to do, and I think it's time for me to break out of that box and to bring the things that I love to do and what I enjoy doing. I am Juliana. I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm me. And I'm not going to change for anyone the way that I am. For 2021, you either love me the way that I am or just leave me alone. Period. I am on a movement right now in my life. And the movement is for greatness and for big dreams. No one's going to tear down my barriers anymore. I will not allow it. I am going to be me. The best that I can be and the best that God wants me to be. And He will guide me and show me the paths to take. And with that said, y'all, happy 2021. Be safe. Know that this coronavirus is still out there. Try to minimize your circle as small as possible. I'm trying to do the same thing. And yeah, I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Thanks for riding with me. I've said it a million times, but thank you guys for riding with me through thick and thin. I love you guys so much. Continue for those. Stick in there with me and watch this channel grow. 21 is going to be the year, y'all. I say it every time, but there's something in my soul that tells me don't give up. And I'm not going to give up. Before I go again, just continue to pray for my sister's daughter. She's living in New York. And we don't want to forget another partner right now because it breaks my heart. It makes me sad. She was my older sister. Yeah. And yeah. Be safe. Stay strong. The best is yet to come. The sky is the limit. And I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.